Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to start. Open the document and go straight to the Review tab. Click Track Changes to enable live edits. Make sure Word shows your author name and initials in Options so edits are attributed properly. Once Track Changes is on, every insertion, deletion, and format change is recorded. You can toggle it with Ctrl+Shift+E if you need to pause. Also, set Simple Markup or All Markup now so you can preview changes as you work. This saves time. Now to your editing with intention. Type to insert, delete to mark removals, and apply formatting. Word records each change. When you delete long text, use balloons to keep the main flow readable and add comments for explanations or instructions. Make sure Show Markup is configured so you only see the reviewer, and markup types you need. If multiple people edit, filter by reviewer to focus on one person's changes. Once comfortable, use the next pane to step through each change methodically. Finish by reviewing changes. Use Next and Accept or Reject to handle items one by one, which preserves context. If you need a clean copy for distribution, save as and accept all changes in the new file so originals remain intact. Make sure to inspect comments and resolve or delete them before finalizing. Troubleshooting. If you don't see markup, switch to All Markup and verify no document protection is restricting edits. Also confirm track changes wasn't turned off accidentally by another.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.